Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing well. May Allah keep us all safe and sound. Today we are making Chinese chicken stir fry. It's very simple and easy recipe. On the side I'm also making some white rice. So let's get started with the ingredients. We will need just about 2.5 pounds of thigh meat, or you can use regular breast meat. We will need some bell peppers. You can just use any color you like. I'm using all 4 different colors. Also, you'll need 1 onion. You can use red or regular. Some oil. I bought some store-bought stir-fry sauce, some salt, garlic pepper, cumin powder, paprika powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, some soy sauce, lemon pepper. I will put the ingredient down in the below and the measurements. We will also need 1 lemon. Cut up, washed, and that's how I cut my chicken. I cut them in the cubes, and I'll just add some oil, just about 2 tablespoons, so it can be enough to cook the chicken in. This chicken doesn't require a lot of oil. So I'm just gonna cook the chicken in first without any other ingredients in there. While I'm cooking the chicken, I cut up all my bell peppers, onions, and have them ready. Sorry guys, I'm still under the weather, so bear with me. You only need 1 tablespoon of paprika powder, 1/2 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/2 tablespoon paprika, and 1/2 tablespoon of lemon pepper, salt according to your taste. Just about 1/4 of stir-fry sauce, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, and 1/2 a lemon. As you can see, the chicken is cooked just about 90%, and I added rest of the spices in there. Mix it up, cook it just about 5 minutes. It already looks so delicious without putting even rest of the ingredients. You can, with this recipe, you can also make burritos, fajitas. You can make those little pita pocket stuffing. You can make anything out of this stir fry. Now I'm gonna put the bell peppers, the onions. You can put any other vegetables such as like broccoli, zucchini. So you can add your own favorite vegetables in this. I just like bell peppers and onions most of the time. Just mix it up. We don't have to cook the bell peppers and the onions too much because you still want the crunch in there. So cook it on high heat for just about another 5 to 7 minutes. Now I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of the stir-fry sauce. I usually make my own, but sometimes I like to have the store-bought on hand, so I just have it in my refrigerator always when I'm want to make fast meals, so I just use that. So just mix that in well. While I'm making the stir fry, I'm also heating up the water and soak my rice ahead of time for just about 12 to 15 minutes. So while my chicken is getting cooked, I have the white rice ready too. So I'm just gonna add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Guys, how good it looks. I mean, it's so colorful and so yummy. Now I'm gonna add 1/2 a lemon. You can add more than, but I tasted it, so 1/2 a lemon was just perfect for us. And if you don't have lemon, you can always add 1.5 tablespoons of vinegar. It'll taste the same. You can also add green peppers in there too, like the spicy peppers, like jalapenos or any other. That will also taste good. So just put the rice in the water, and if you soak your rice ahead of time, the rice cook in no time. So I had it ready, and within 5 to 7 minutes. So I just added some butter. You don't have to, but I just like to add butter. It gives that nice smell and that aroma, just really good. And now it's ready to serve. Guys, do try this recipe and let me know how you liked it, and comment below for any other recipe you would like me to show next. I hope everybody's doing good. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.